Hello and welcome to a screen recording tutorial, how to put the menu titles in the top of your web page. Hopefully you can see this page here and you can see me. We're in Web Expressions. I've got two pages open, Index and Ride. I'm going to close everything except Index. I only want my first page open, my main page, because in here all the links and the titles are all set up. Now instead of doing them in every other page, we'll just copy it. So I'll do it slowly here, then you can watch this again and again and do it yourselves. Okay, first of all, click somewhere on the top left. That then brings up a table row or table details. If I click table, I want the whole table selected. All this table then goes grey and you can see it's selected. I'm going to copy all that area. So I click edit and copy. That's now copied. Open one of your other pages. You'll do this for each page you have made. Open, and I'll go to Shops page. As you can see now, there's two pages open. Don't get confused. In my Shops page, before I paste it, I tell it where I want it to be pasted. I want it on the same table. I click in there near the top of the page, table appears up here. I click table, the same area is selected. This is an area with no links in and no proper title and no standard colours. If I then click edit and paste, it puts the same title in and the same links in. So if all my links are working in my first page, it should all work in here. Test it, file, save all, file, preview in browser. Obviously Chrome is the one to use because it's the best. So my Shops page. My Shops page, oh, it's disappeared over here. I'll bring it back. You could see it there. Shops page. I know I'm in Shops because it says Shops here. If I click on Ride, see where it goes to. Ride. So I'm in my Ride page. I know Ride's here. Obviously, each title needs to be different. So each of your pages has got its own title. That means you can differentiate them and your website will take form and be easy to understand if you have a different title for each page. Okay, I'll just click back there to go back to my Shops page where I did the copying. Let's see if any of the other links have been working. Oh, no, none of them are there because I haven't done them. Food is in there. I'll click food and it goes to the food page. Obviously, do all your links before you copy and paste them to your other pages. Have a go and test it in your browser previewing to get full marks. All the links must work. Thank you.